Before we take that stock exhaust off, I'm gonna let y'all hear what it sound like for the ones that don't know. That's basically your stock sound right there. It's your boy, man, EA Crocs, checking in on the motor vlog side for this video, man. So what we got in front of us is the Ninja 650, you dig? My daily commuter, baby. 2023, she's brand new. Well, she was brand new. I done put like at least 3,000 miles on her. So now it's time for the makeover. You see, I got the Kawasaki green on there. Honestly, I got the Kawasaki green because of the ABS. I wanted ABS. So I went with the Kawasaki green. You know what I'm saying? But we finna switch out this. It's time to switch out this stock exhaust. You know what I'm saying? I feel like it's time now. I done rolled stock exhaust long enough. Time to put a little roar on here. Be honest with you, I wanted to go with the Yoshi at first. You know what I'm saying? Things ain't work out with the Yoshi. So I went with the Delkevic. And watched a couple of videos on the Delkevic. The Delkevic is pretty cool, you know what I'm saying? Got enough noise for me. I feel like it'll be better than the stock. You know what I'm saying? I see a lot of people say that the stock is better. It is not better. You know what I'm saying? The stock has little to no sound on it at all. So we're going to put that Delkevic on there. And from what I done seen in the tutorials, because this is not a tutorial video, this is basically just a show and tell. I seen in the tutorial videos, they took off this bottom plate right here. You're going to take off these screws right here in the front. And you also going to loosen up your shifter. You know what I'm saying? You're going to loosen that up so you can get inside. It's like a screw attached to the exhaust that you got to screw on the inside. So, man, touch back with y'all once I get those few components off. Also, we got to get up under there and unscrew the headers off. So, got a little work, man. So, man, as y'all can see, man, we done took the stock exhaust off. Man, the stock exhaust, man, it's like super duper heavy. And, man, shout out to Will TV. You know what I'm saying? I did watch his tutorial on how to do it, man. He one of the ones that kept it real simple. You know what I'm saying? You just pop off these two buttons right here so you can open that flap up. You know what I'm saying? You unscrew the headers off, man. This lever, this clutch in the back, you unscrew it at the back so you can work this hole right here. And then she just dropped right out. You know what I'm saying? She dropped right out. Next thing I need to do is pop these brass rings out. So we're gonna pop them brass rings out. Them boys in there. Okay, we done got the brass rings off. So now, man, it's time to open up that boy, see what we got. So like I say, man, your boy went with the Delkevic. Delkevic. Is that how you pronounce it? Delkevic. You know what I'm saying? I went with the 8-inch joint. Went with the 8-inch joint. Like how this one sounds, you know what I'm saying? And it was an easy installation. So pretty much the same way you took the stock exhaust off, it'd be the same way to go ahead and wiggle the new one on there. And don't forget, you know what I'm saying, before you put the new one on, to put them new brass rings on there. And I think it should come with like some lube or something. Let's see, but let's go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and put this joint on. That thing looks nice. Man, shout out to Will TV, man. That tutorial you gave was super duper easy. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to tag Will in this, y'all, because like I say, man, this was a show and tell video, you know what I'm saying? I just really wanted to show my Croc fam, know what I'm saying, for the other viewers, know what I'm saying. Y'all can check in with M Will TV, know what I'm saying. He gives step for step breakdown, but man, when I tell you, the man give easy details, know what I'm saying. This was super duper easy to put on. Got everything tight, everything secure. Then lost weight, know what I'm saying. Got everything plugged back up. Now it's time to see what that sound like. Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's him right there. Oh, that thing, that is nice. Of course, we got a little smoke coming out. That's that break-in fume. That good old break-in fume. Oh yeah. I'm digging. Sound totally different. Totally different. And now that I got it in person for myself, man, it sounds totally different than listening to it on other videos. Know what I'm saying? I think on the video that sound diffused, but in person, man, this is most definitely totally night and day from the start. Totally, man. You gotta get this. If you're looking into this for the 650, this model is the 2023 650. Know what I'm saying? Most definitely look into that boy. And that boy there was, I believe, like almost 500. So it was real affordable, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The Delkevic. Jump!